Now this is a computer-generated simulator. Now I already pre-recorded this. So as you see, we have the Newton's cradle with 5 masses. Now I measure this with my protractor to be 5 centimeters on the screen. Now let's go hit play. I lift my first mass. Now using a protractor, this is your 0 degree. And this is about 80 degrees. So let's go back to our data table. My release would be 80 degrees. Now let's go back to the video. I will hit play. 1 impact, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hopefully you're doing this in slow motion on your phones. It's a little tricky to do it on a video. Okay. Now using my protractor. 0. I have 60 degrees. So let's go back to the data table. The degree of the reaction was 60. My distance traveled was 0.016 meters. So as you can see right here. Now compare in the action, you had 0.43 joules. And after 3 impacts, you have 0.32 joules. And then we look over here to the far left, this area. This will auto-generate the differences between trial 1 to trial 1, trial 2 action to trial 2 reaction. So this top table is your action. The bottom table will be your reaction. Now I recommend to allow 10 complete impacts, as you saw in the video on the far left, from over here, to actually gather data. Now as you can see, 2 kilograms, your mass, your force, your acceleration is due to gravity. Then we have the distance of the swing. Now these 2 areas, input data and input data, you type this in from your trials. And of course you input data as well over here. Now keep in mind, kilograms. This will auto-generate newtons. And of course your string. These 2 parts of the table will auto-generate themselves. And then of course, this will also auto-generate. So my idea, according to Newton's 3 laws, every action should have an equal but opposite reaction. If this is true, then why do I have energy lost? Now in case you ask, energy's formula is work equals force, which in this case will be the weight, multiplied against distance. Now this is the idea behind the length of the string and the degree of the release, which relates to circumference. Now when you record your videos, try to do it in slow motion and always have a protractor and a ruler nearby. Remember, measure in centimeters and measure your masses in kilograms. Otherwise, be prepared to convert your units.